Welcome to this explainer. You know, it's actually kind of crazy, but in moments of sudden panic, like a massive, widespread power outage, thousands of people grab their phones to report the issue, only to realize they have absolutely no idea what their utility account number is. Today, we're going to solve that frustrating puzzle for good. We'll be breaking down exactly how to find your Austin Energy account number online, step by step, so you can easily manage your utilities and be prepared for literally anything.
We've all been there, right? It's late at night, your power randomly goes out, or maybe a bill is due right this second and you are suddenly asked for this mysterious account number that you simply can't remember. It's a completely common scenario, but it really doesn't have to be a stressful one. Mastering this simple little task of locating your digital identification only takes a few minutes, but honestly, the ease and peace of mind it brings you is absolutely immense.
So why does this specific string of numbers actually matter so much? Well, because it's basically the skeleton key to your entire municipal life in the city. You see, the city of Austin merges several operations into one centralized billing infrastructure. That means the single number connects you to Austin Energy for electricity, Austin Water for clean water, and Austin Resource Recovery for solid waste and recycling. You're going to need this number to pay your bills securely, set up autopay so you never miss a due date, track your usage with the new smart water meters, and crucially, register for mobile text alerts during a power outage.
Whether you're a longtime Austin resident or a brand new move-in, mastering the utility system gives you total peace of mind. Getting your account properly set up and your identifier securely recorded just lets you get back to what actually matters. Enjoying our beautiful, vibrant community without constantly worrying about whether your services are going to be interrupted. Here is our roadmap for today. 1. Navigating the online portal. 2. Locating your 10-digit number. 3. Offline options and support. And 4. Account security and scams.
Let's dive right into Section 1, Navigating the Online Portal. The primary gateway for everything we're discussing today is coutilities.com. When you type that into your browser, you'll be brought straight to the online customer care portal. Once you're there, you can quickly log in by entering your registered username and password. Now, if you're a brand new resident, no problem. You'll see a really prominent Register button. Clicking that allows you to create your online account, start or transfer services, and even opt into paperless billing, which they simply call e-bill.
Before we move on, I want to share a super quick troubleshooting tip, just because there are a few common pitfalls you might run into here. If your registration says it's pending, don't panic. You probably just need to check your email inbox and click the activation link to confirm your identity. Also, when you're creating your login, keep in mind that your username has to be between 8 and 50 characters long. And hey, if you ever forget your password later on, there's a really simple Forgot Password link right there on the login page to help you recover your access.
Moving right along to Section 2, Locating your 10-digit number.
Okay, so the absolutely crucial point here is that your City of Austin Utilities account number is exactly 10 digits long. And here is a really important detail to remember. You absolutely have to include any leading or trailing zeros. If your number starts with a 0 and you just casually skip it, the system validation is going to reject your input entirely and you won't be able to link your accounts or pay your bill. Every single one of those 10 digits matters.
So once you're fully logged into the COA Utilities portal, where do you actually look? Well, you'll see this 10-digit identifier displayed right on your primary account summary dashboard. It's typically sitting right up near the top of your profile information. Alternatively, if you click to view a recent statement, your number is printed very clearly on the top right corner of your PDF e-bill. Actually, I highly recommend writing this number down and stashing it somewhere safe right now while you're thinking about it.
And this really brilliantly illustrates how interconnected the city's whole digital system is. You can use those exact same COA Utilities web credentials, yep, the username and password you just created, to log straight into the Austin Energy app on your smartphone. Once you're in the app, your 10-digit number is conveniently sitting right there on the profile panel. Plus, if you're one of the thousands getting the new digital smart water meters through the My ATX Water program, well, that portal uses this exact same primary account number too. Pretty handy, right?
Now for Section 3, Offline Options and Support.
So what happens if the power goes out, your home wireless router is completely dead, and you simply cannot log in to the web portal? Well, if you're stuck without computer access, pulling out your smartphone and doing a quick email search is a fantastic little trick. If you're signed up for paperless billing, just search your email inbox for the phrase City of Austin Utilities or e-bill. In under a minute, you can usually pull up an old digital statement. The account number will be right there in the message body or right on the attached PDF header. This is an absolute lifesaver during a localized blackout when you're relying entirely on cellular data. But what if your phone is dead too? Or you just prefer speaking to a real human being? If you are entirely offline, just grab a flashlight and check the upper right-hand side of any recent physical paper bill you might have filed away. If you still can't find it, you can always call customer care directly at 512-494-9400 to speak with a representative. And for those who really need in-person assistance, you can drop by the East Austin Utility Customer Service Center over on Weberville Road or the North Austin Center on Research Boulevard.
Finally, let's look at Section 4, Account Security and Scams. Austin Energy specifically warns customers to be incredibly vigilant about this. You really should treat this 10-digit number just like you would sensitive personal information. Never ever share this identifier with unverified callers. Why? Well, because there are some pretty prevalent telephone and solar scams operating in the area right now. Scammers will call demanding immediate payment or offering these fake solar PV deals, and they try to use your account number to legitimize their fraud. If your account information gets compromised, bad actors could manipulate your services or access your billing details. Always verify exactly who you are speaking with. By keeping your number secure but safely on hand, you really empower yourself. You can confidently text "Register me for outage alerts" to the system and get instant updates on exactly when your power will be restored. Having this 10-digit number ready literally makes emergency preparedness your superpower. It takes a chaotic, stressful outage and turns it into a managed situation where you are fully in control.
Just to wrap things up, I want to leave you with a quick but important disclaimer. Web page designs, app interfaces, and official policies can and definitely do evolve over time. So always double-check and verify the latest information directly through official channels like coastutilities.com, by calling 512-494-9400, or just by dialing 311 for city services. So, with your 10-digit account number now securely in your grasp, what steps will you take today to optimize your home's energy usage and lower your next bill?